Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to estimate the money. In this video we will learn arrangement of money in ascending and descending order. Today our topic is arrangement of money in ascending and descending order. For comparing the money we follow the same rules as we do for comparing the whole numbers. Ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is the arrangement of numbers from smallest to greatest. Arrangement of numbers from smallest to greatest is ascending order. Here we have 500 rupees and 10 paisas. 150 rupees and 50 paisas, 510 rupees and 150 rupees and 10 paisas. Second and fourth value has 1 in hundreds place, whereas first and third value has 5 in hundreds place. For the least value, we check the tens and units place in the second and fourth value. The digit in the tens place is 5 on both these numbers. Now we will check the digit that is in the units place. In units place, we have 0 in both the amounts. Now we check the digit in tens place, as in 10th place there is 5 and 1, and 5 is greater than 1. Therefore, we can say that 150 rupees and 50 paisas is greater than 150 rupees and 10 paisas. 150 rupees and 10 paisas is the least value. The least value is 150 rupees and 10 paisas. And then the next amount is 150 rupees and 50 paisas. Now we check that digit that is in tens place in first and third value. In first and third value there is 0 and 1. As 0 is less than 1, therefore 500 rupees and 10 paisas is less than 510 rupees. The least amount is 150 rupees and 10 paisas. Then it comes 150 rupees and 50 paisas. The next greater value is 500 rupees and 10 paisas. And then 510 rupees. Money is arranged from smallest to the greatest. This is ascending order. What is descending order? The numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest is called descending order. When the numbers are arranged from greatest to the smallest, this is called descending order. Let's take an example. We have 11 rupees 11 paisas, 10 rupees 11 paisas, 11 rupees 10 paisas and 10 rupees 10 paisas. Second and fourth value has 1 in hundreds place and 0 in tens place. Whereas first and third value has 1 in hundreds and tens place. For the greatest value, we check the tens and hundreds place in the first and third value. In the first and third value, there is 1 in tens place. Now we will compare the value in hundreds place. In hundreds place, there is 1 and 0, as 1 is greater than 0. Therefore, 11 rupees 11 paisas is greater than 11 rupees 10 paisas. 11 rupees 11 paisas is greatest value, and then it comes 11 rupees 10 paisas. Now we check the tens and hundreds place in the second and fourth value. In tens place there is 1 on both these amounts. Now we check the digit in hundreds place. There is 1 and 0. As 1 is greater than 0, therefore 10 rupees 11 paisas is greater than 10 rupees 10 paisas. If we arrange the amount in descending order from greatest to smallest, the greatest value is 11 rupees 11 paisas and the smaller value is 11 rupees 10 paisas. Then the smaller value is 10 rupees 11 paisas and the least value is 10 rupees 10 paisas. In this video we have discussed arrangement of money in ascending and descending order. In the next video we will learn about buying and selling. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.